Live in a coveted waterfront lifestyle at Puteri Cove Residences and Quayside, nestled in the most prestigious locale of Iskandar Malaysia. Only 10 minutes away from Singapore, the Freehold development features premium residences, Soho, lofts, service suites and an exciting lifestyle retail centre. Puteri Cove Residences and Quayside is located in the heart of Iskandar Malaysia's $45 billion urban investment venture, widely expected to be the Shenzhen of Malaysia. Its strategic proximity and easy accessibility to Singapore is paving the way for a new metropolis in the southern tip of Malaysia. Nusajaya is the commercial centre of Iskandar. Upcoming entertainment, education, retail, investment, business and economic zones add leverage to the investment potential of Puteri Cove Residences as the most sought-after locale of Nusajaya. It is nestled in the private marina of award-winning Puteri Harbour and modelled after renowned marina lifestyle destinations, Monaco and Sentosa Cove. Puteri Harbour offers a host of leisure and hospitality options, from the Legoland theme park to Hello Kitty Town, and is a short 8-minute drive to Edu City or golf and country clubs. As the most desirable address in Nusajaya, Puteri Cove Residences provides world-class facilities for marina living at its best, providing an unrivaled range of over 30 resort lifestyle facilities spread across 3 dedicated levels. With a multi-tiered security system, Puteri Cove Residences provides not just a resort lifestyle, but a haven of safety and privacy. Welcome to your ultimate abode of peaceful relaxation and tranquility. At the pinnacle of luxury resort living, aquatic landscapes are located on levels 16 and 17, including an infinity lap pool and sky observation decks. These facilities overlook the marina and sea bay. The Residences is integrated with Puteri Cove Quayside, a 2-story lifestyle retail centre which features 79 units offering shopping, food and beverage dining and entertainment along the breezy marina promenade. This is truly prime waterfront retail at its best. Make an iconic statement for fine marina living and choose from over 650 luxury apartments with the finest fixtures and fittings. All units come fully equipped with premium kitchen appliances, tasteful marble top finishes, top-of-the-range bath, sanitary fittings, and a multi-tiered security system. Furnished with built-in wardrobes, storage and kitchen cabinets, these luxurious apartments are in complete ready-to-move-in condition. Bask in the vibrancy of marina living with pool and open-top terrace units in the unique offering of 56 luxurious and spacious Soho and loft units anchored above Puteri Cove Quayside. Experience prestige, distinction, luxury, value. Experience Puteri Cove Residences and Quayside.